think she's leaking. Oh man. Let's see what I can figure out. Oh, got it. Jeez. Okay. Really don't know how much oil is going to come out of here. Okay. Tuck you out of the way. Okay. Oh! Let's not do that. Okay. Just as I thought. Okay. This is what needs replaced, which can be very expensive and unnecessary. I would rather have a dipstick. I don't like this system. So I recorded that last bit and thought I needed to replace this. Upon further investigation, actually, it's just missing an O-ring. That's why it's been leaking this whole time. So we're gonna put this back together and see if it still works, because it's been pretty flooded with oil. So I'm gonna put it all back together, fill her back up with oil, and see if it still works before I go and spend a bunch of money on a new one.